Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, from whichever time zone you're listening to me from. I'm Nayan Agarwal, and I'm an emotional wellness and a success coach. Before I say anything else, just subscribe to the channel and press on the bell icon so that you receive a notification whenever I upload a new video, which is very often nowadays. I had a client a month back who said that she didn't have any purpose in life for herself. She was still on the journey. She had just started with me. She has a lot of capability, but somehow she didn't have the faith in herself that she was important enough to make a difference in the world, basically. So I was reminded of the story which my mentor always tells about the bumblebee. What does a bee do? The bee collects nectar from the flowers and deposits in the beehive for it to turn into honey, right? That is the purpose of the bee's life. But what happens through that? The bee's body, the pollen from the flower sticks to the fur on the little body, and as the bee flies from flower to flower all across the field or orchard or among the trees and plants, that pollen is deposited into other plants and the cross pollination happens. And that is how we get the kind of vegetation, the kind of greenery, the kind of flora. The bee contributes a lot. A majority of the cross pollination that happens across the world in nature is done by the bee. Now, does the bee know that? I'm sure it does not. So it happens with us that we, just by being ourselves, when we go about doing our work, being compassionate, being kind to ourselves and to others, helping others, and when we help ourselves, see, this is the notion that most people have, that if we look into ourselves and look to growing ourselves, it's somewhere selfish, and everybody wants to be come to a stature where they're able to contribute and help others, whether they are consciously aware of it or not. So any reminder to look to yourself, to nurture yourself, comes with a resistance, but that would be selfish, won't it? What would be selfish, tell me? Not increasing your not coming into your full potential and being of extra benefit to the world, or staying in that small circumference of your beliefs and limitations, which keep you in that small secluded space of your own life, your own family maybe. Wouldn't that be more selfish than growing yourself to a stature where you're able to, just by being yourself, you're able to do so much more? To give you an example, even a teacher who is contributing to society is maybe at a time addressing a classroom, right? But what every student takes from every class is different. They, every student puts their coloring, their interpretation, their perspective into what they gain from the teacher, and spread it outer in the outer world more, into their families, into their peer group. And as they grow older, they carry that teaching, and who knows what, like there's no we can't measure the kind of impact that one class would have going ahead into time, isn't it? So that is what just being yourself and doing your job means. Not being limited by thinking that you are doing lesser than others maybe. Some jobs are very high profile and some are not, but even those people who are not out there in the world's eye view, do you think that they don't contribute? They contribute so much. For those people to be who they are, they have a army of people behind them who are doing their jobs and making it convenient for these high profile people to do theirs, isn't it? So aren't those people behind the main person who's in front of the camera, don't they contribute for this person and the impact that they give into the world? Do you understand what I'm saying here? I would want you to look into your life. What are you doing and how do you think you're impacting even that one person, if you're impacting in your life, how that person goes out into his or her life and impacts many, many more. So how that ripple effect goes, like the bumblebee who's unaware and does so much for the earth, isn't it? I would urge you to do that. And if you think that you have found value in this video, share it with others whom you feel that it will benefit. Bye for now. See you in the next video.